Imagine waking up one morning feeling the weight of years on your body and realizing that your kidneys, the silent warriors that filter every drop of blood, are pleading for help. I know the fear that creeps in when you hear about protein in your urine, a sign your kidneys might be struggling. But what if nature holds the key to healing? Today, I share a story of hope, change, and practical steps that could help restore kidney health in just 21 days. Let me take you on a journey that begins in your kitchen. Our story starts with blueberries. These tiny berries are not just sweet treats. They are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Researchers at the National Institutes of Health have shown that antioxidants can help protect kidney cells from damage. Imagine starting your day with a small bowl of blueberries, a simple habit that builds a shield for your kidneys. A handful of these berries can spark a defense system in your body, easing the burden on your kidneys. Next, consider cranberries. For many seniors, urinary tract infections are a recurring nightmare that indirectly strain kidney function. Cranberries contain unique compounds that prevent bacteria from latching onto the urinary tract, keeping infections at bay. Studies from trusted medical centers confirm that regular intake of unsweetened cranberry juice or fresh cranberries can help reduce the risk of infections. Picture yourself choosing this natural remedy over harsh medications, embracing a gentle but powerful approach to healing. As we move deeper into the story, let me introduce red bell peppers. These vibrant vegetables are a treasure trove of vitamins A, C, and B6. Their low potassium content makes them an ideal food for those mindful of kidney health. Trusted sources like the Mayo Clinic have highlighted the importance of vitamins in repairing body tissues and reducing inflammation. Imagine a crisp red bell pepper adding a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meal. It is not just food, it is a promise of renewed strength and health. Garlic, another key character in our tale, has long been used for its medicinal properties. Its natural anti-inflammatory effects help detoxify the body, easing the load on your kidneys. Medical research has repeatedly pointed to garlic's benefits in reducing inflammation and boosting overall immunity. Think of garlic as a secret weapon hidden in your spice rack. When you add garlic to your meals, you are not just enhancing flavor, you are inviting a natural healer into your body. Now, let's talk about turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in reputable journals shows that curcumin can reduce stress on the kidneys and improve overall organ function. Imagine stirring a pinch of turmeric into warm milk or your favorite tea. With each sip, you are stepping closer to a healthier, less burdened kidney. Turmeric is more than a spice. It's a ray of hope in your daily regimen. The story continues with spinach. While spinach is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, caution is needed because of its oxalate content. Trusted nutritional experts advise moderation for those with kidney concerns. By balancing spinach with other greens, you provide your body with valuable nutrients without overloading your kidneys. Imagine a fresh, vibrant salad that fuels your body with life while taking care of your delicate organs. Now, let me introduce apples into our narrative. Apples are humble yet powerful allies in your fight for better kidney health. They are high in fiber and antioxidants, helping to detoxify your body and reduce the workload on your kidneys. Research from respected institutions shows that the natural fiber in apples can help regulate blood sugar and lower cholesterol levels, which in turn supports kidney function. Imagine biting into a crisp apple and feeling the burst of natural goodness spreading through your body, easing your fears about your health. Our final hero is olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet renowned for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Studies from top health organizations confirm that olive oil is rich in healthy fats that support nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation. When you use olive oil in your cooking, you are not only enhancing flavor, you are nurturing your kidneys with every drop. Imagine a simple drizzle transforming your meal into a nourishing experience that stands up against the challenges of aging. Now, let us weave these powerful ingredients into a 21-day plan. In the first week, focus on introducing one superfood at a time. This gradual approach helps your body adjust and minimizes the shock of sudden dietary changes. For example, start by adding blueberries to your breakfast. Then, in the following days, incorporate cranberries and red bell peppers into your meals. Each day brings a new ingredient, a new step toward healing. In the second week, begin to combine these superfoods. Imagine a lunch plate that pairs the antioxidant punch of blueberries with the infection-fighting power of cranberries, or a dinner that blends the richness of garlic and the healing benefits of turmeric. By the end of the second week, you will start noticing small changes. a little more energy, a sense of relief, perhaps even a change in your lab results. Every meal becomes a building block for stronger kidney health. In the final week, fully integrate all 8 superfoods into your daily diet. This is where the magic happens. As you mix and match these ingredients in creative ways, you create a symphony of flavors and benefits that your body recognizes as life-saving. Imagine preparing a meal that not only nourishes your body, but also tells a story of resilience and renewal. You begin to understand that each bite is a step away from fear and a step toward reclaiming your health. This journey is not without challenges. The thought of making changes can be overwhelming. But think about the urgency of the situation. Every day you delay could mean more strain on your kidneys. Trustworthy studies and clinical reports warn that ignoring the early signs of kidney stress can lead to serious complications. This is your chance to take control, to rewrite your health story. The clock is ticking, and each day is an opportunity to make a change that counts. You might ask yourself, will these changes really work? The answer lies in the stories of countless seniors who have experienced remarkable recoveries. They started with simple changes, small additions to their meals, consistent practices over 21 days, and ended up with improved kidney function and a better quality of life. Their stories are proof that nature's remedies, when applied with care and commitment, can turn the tide. Picture yourself a few weeks from now. The fear and uncertainty have given way to a renewed sense of hope and vitality. Your lab reports show progress. Your energy levels have improved. And most importantly, you feel empowered knowing that you took charge of your health. This is not a fairy tale. It is a realistic path backed by science and proven by experience. Every day counts. Every meal is a choice between staying stuck in a cycle of decline and taking a bold step toward healing. The ingredients in your kitchen are not mere food items. They are powerful tools that can rebuild and restore your health. They remind you that nature provides the remedies we often overlook in our busy lives. This journey is about more than just food. It is about embracing a new way of life. A life where each day brings hope, where every bite is a promise of a healthier future. The clock is ticking, and the opportunity is now. Over the next 21 days, you have the chance to transform fear into strength and uncertainty into resilience. Do not let this moment pass by. Your kidneys and your entire body are counting on you to take action. The power of nature is at your fingertips. It is time to harness the healing potential of blueberries, cranberries, red bell peppers, garlic, turmeric, spinach, apples, and olive oil. Each superfood is a stepping stone on your path to recovery. Commit to this journey and let the changes you make today shape a healthier tomorrow. The next chapter of your life is waiting, and it begins with a single, powerful step.